WT0519, Lovenel Randoy, 25 years old of age, single, vocational caregiver, 2 years experience helper caregiver in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Lovi. You can call me Lovi. I'm 25, turning 26 years old this coming 19th of October. I love music. I love reading books. I'm more of a homebody person. I love staying at home, or I like walking in the park. I love cooking as well, watching TV. That's it.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
It will take more or less 2 hours.
Tell me something about your caregiver helper experience in the Philippines.
I work as a caregiver in a female elderly. She is 75 years old. She was a retired teacher. I bathe her every day. I cook her food. I expose her to the sunlight for 15 minutes. I assist the patient in taking medications and in eating.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I know I know how to cook some of the Chinese food, and I can learn still more dishes.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
How about the elderly?
Yes, I actually prefer the elderly.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
Steps of bottle feeding. First, you measure the water content, okay, in the eye level, and then pour the milk formula, and then shake it sideways, and then check the temperature, and make sure that check the temperature, and bottle feed the baby in a semi-upright position.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I'll check first what causes the baby to cry, like if there's any like insect bite, if there's any itchy part of the baby's body, or if the baby is hangry, or maybe the baby is suffering from pain.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
Check first the temperature, and then keep it sponge bath, and then tell the parents of the baby about the condition of the baby.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Give me one example.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any other talent?
Talent. I love to sing. I was a member of a choir before.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'll just divert my attention, like in reading books and listening to music.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No.
What will you do?
I have a lot of family members here in the Philippines, so for sure one of my members got sick. They will be able to take care of him or her, and I'll just maybe I can help by just sending money.
Okay. What could you teach the children?
I can teach English, math, anything.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
I can work 2 years or more than 2 years, Hong Kong because I like the opportunity to be there, and I want to explore Hong Kong.
Give your message to be soon employer.
Hi, I can. I'm a hardworking and a compassionate person, and I'm a hardworking, and for sure I'll be able to do my task honestly.